Number 2.
Dear Mom and Dad, I just want to tell you how much you've meant to me as a guided and loved me through my life. From very early, you taught me the importance of family, trust, and love. You have taught me to value myself and to value others. You have taught me again and again to never give up and to follow your dreams. Whenever sick or scared, you would stay to me and play with me. You taught me to laugh and to use my imagination. You shared your stories and always let me make up my own mind. You made every birthday and holiday perfect and special just by bringing the family together. I wanted to thank you for loving me exactly the way I am and telling me you're proud of me. You have helped me become who I am through all the love and faith you have provided and all amazing lessons you have taught me.
So no matter what, I just wanted to thank you and let you know that I love you and I thank God for the amazing parents He gave me. You are the best parents in the world.
Makakanta na. Lakas ha, lakas.
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang mga ako. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y magtawag yakapin. Sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko.
Lakas pa. Mina yung boses.
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mga ngarap na nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Paalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi, kahit